So the next question in interview room, let me ask you, what is instance hiding or variable hiding? What is instance hiding or variable hiding? Okay, guys, when we declare any non-private variable, in superclass, then this same variable, with the same name, suppose we declare in subclass as a non-private also. Okay, non-private or private. Okay, in subclass we can have private or non-private also. Okay, but superclass we need to declare non-private also, non-private only. Okay, so then such a variable, suppose we access from subclass, so always superclass variable remains hide. Got it, guys? So from subclass, when we access such a variable, the variable which is present in superclass as well as in subclass, and such a variable, suppose we access from the block of subclass, so always superclass variable remains hide. Then such a concept is known as a instance hiding, guys. Okay, let's discuss with some example. Let's say we have a class test 52. Okay, or A52. Okay, and then in A52 I declare, okay, this one as a here I declare integer a. Okay, here I declare integer a, and then here suppose I said a public void and show a method. Okay, or suppose we declare n here. Okay, and then the method name is show1, and then this show1 method going to display the value of n, its own n. Okay, whenever the show1 method will display the value of n, that n will be this one. And then in subclass, okay, guys, okay, then in subclass, okay, okay, let's say we write 52 and extends, okay, A52, guys. Okay, and then here again I declare integer n. Okay, then suppose I write here, okay, show2 method. This show2 method will display the value of this n. But here suppose I write one constructor here, public, okay, B52, and then it will receive integer a and integer b. Okay, these two argument will receive. Class B constructor will receive, subclass constructor will receive two argument. And suppose I said n is equals to a and n is equals to b. Okay, n is equals to a and n is equals to b. What is happening here? We will receive any value within a, that value we will pass into this n. Which n will get access? Okay, will get use only this n. Okay, so value of a will put it into this n. Then again we said the value of b I want to pass it into n. Okay, which n will get use? So only this n. Okay, so in this way this n will remains unchanged. Okay, hide. Okay, and then suppose from main class, okay, I create object B52, b new B52, okay. In B52 I need to pass two values, okay, 100 and 200. 100 and 200 will receive by a and b. Then 100 will pass in n. Which n? Only in this n. Okay, then 200 we will pass in which n? Only in this n. Okay, so 100, okay, will get overwrite with 200. Okay, so now then after, suppose I said b dot show1 and b dot show2. Okay, so show1 will display, okay, the value of n. Which n? This n will be remains 0 default. Okay, and then show2 will display its own n. Okay, and this show2 will display value of its own n. Okay, and this n value will be 200, guys. Okay, so this concept is called instance hiding, because we are hiding this instance, this variable, okay, by declaring the same variable into subclass. Okay, and whenever we will access such a variable from subclass block, so always this n will get used. So such a concept is called instance hiding, guys. Got it? Thank you.